What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at a half-price Beats Solo Pro alternative. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Sony CH700N wireless noise canceling over-the-ear headphones I picked up at Best Buy for $165. As you can see, I've got the CH700N right in front of me. These are noise canceling, they are wireless, they have 35-hour battery life, HD call quality, quick charge. I believe 10 minutes of charge is 90 minutes of playtime. You do have to download a proprietary application, the Headphones Connect app, which I have downloaded already, and of course the Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, and I imagine Siri will work in tandem with the built-in microphone that you can also use to take and receive calls. I do not think that there are touch controls on the side here, but we shall find out. So they open up like they're their own thing. So the lid comes off just like so, and you're actually greeted with a really nice pair of over-the-ear headphones. What I like about these is they actually look a little bit bigger than the Beats Solo Pro. These actually may not even be a Beats Solo Pro alternative, but they're half the cost, they're wireless, they're noise cancellation, just like the Beats Solo Pro. No touch controls. They don't come in the different colors that the Beats Solo Pro come in. But, like I said, half price. So, you get the micro USB connection port down at the bottom. You get a microphone jack import just in case you want to connect these hardwire to your phone. And of course you get the noise cancellation button on the side. And of course the power button is easily labeled here. This is the first time that actually I've used a pair of over-the-ear headphones where everything was labeled appropriately, where everything was labeled so that it's easy to read and easy to navigate, excuse me. Let's go ahead and bring in the handy dandy iPhone here. And as you can see, the CH700N come right up. So we'll go ahead and connect them now that we've got them on. So we'll go ahead and go to the App Store here, Sony headphones. We'll go ahead and ignore that notification due to the fact that they should be connected already to the Sony headphones app. And as you can see, the CH700 come right up, and we'll hit close. And of course, we can set up the Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, whatever we want. But as you can see here, we get a really nice application. They came with 70% battery life, as you can see, 70% battery life there. And you get all kinds of equalizer settings. You get noise cancellation turned on or off, which is really nice that you can do that from the application if you like. You can do it physically from the headphones, but you can also do it from the application. And let's see, what else do we get here? You get DSEE auto, or you can turn it off. DSEE is a sound enhancer. We'll keep that on, and we'll turn it off so that we can test these out fully. So we've got the right-hand side, we've got the left-hand side. Really impressed with these headphones so far, $150. Build quality is fantastic. Let's go ahead and see what they sound like. Okay guys, so the verdict is in. I did a little bit of testing with these headphones. I actually used them with the sound enhancer turned off, and I used them with the sound enhancer turned on, and I did notice a significant difference with the sound enhancer turned on. So if you buy these headphones, you definitely want to download the proprietary application and make sure that you have the sound enhancer turned off, because it will make a difference, a better difference. Really impressed with these headphones. At the highest volume they go, they sound terrific. At the middle volume, they sound terrific. I have listened to so many earbuds on this channel that over-the-ear headphones are such a welcome change and sound so much better and so much clearer and so much richer. I have listened to over-the-ear headphones before though. I've listened to the Bose Noise Cancelling 700. I've listened to the QC35-2s, the Sony WH-1000 XM3s. These sound pretty good. I don't think you'll notice a difference between these and them if you're just buying these and you haven't listened to those before. But really great sounding pair of headphones, really awesome build quality so far. No complaints about any of that. I'm a little bit disappointed in the design though, because I'm so used to wanting to fold these up a certain way and put them in some kind of carrying case, but you cannot do that. They just sort of they come in the box like this and they stay like that. They don't fold up in any particular way. I found from the decibel meter here that I have on hand that I was able to generate up to 75 decibels listening to my music, the highest volume. If that's something that you're concerned about, music bleed out and what other people can hear when they're sitting next to you, say on a plane or on a train or on a bus or in a car, these emit up to around 70 decibels at the highest volume with them on your ear at the same time. Pretty loud. I'm not sure how loud that is because this is the first time that I've ever compared decibel levels to at all, but rest assured when I listen to them, when I listen to more headphones in the future, we'll make accurate predictions as to how loud headphones are and how much noise they bleed in the future. So up to 70 decibels sound these emit, which is pretty loud, I would imagine. You don't want to listen to your music that loud, but sometimes if you're in a really noisy area and the noise cancellation just isn't cutting it and you want to bump up the sound a little bit, you can do that. I had no problems with noise cancellation. Noise cancellation is better on other headphones like the Bose and the Sonys, but the noise cancellation works as intended. It works really well and I can hear my music clearly and I can enjoy myself and, you know, sit back and relax and listen to my music without having anybody bothering me. With that being said, guys, are these the best Beats Solo Pro alternative? And I would say for right now they are, until something else comes out. That will do it for this episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed the show. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions of the Sony CH700N. You can I picked up at Best Buy for $150. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.